Hello, what are you doing?
We're conducting a research.
What kind of research?
It's a qualitative research.
What's qualitative research?
I am glad you are interested. Let me take you to the world of qualitative research. For starters, you must know that there is no universally accepted definition of qualitative research. However, qualitative research is most known for gathering and evaluating non-numerical data, such as text, videos, or audio recordings, in order to comprehend concepts, opinions, and experiences. Qualitative research may also be considered in contrast to quantitative research, which involves collecting and analyzing numerical data for statistical analysis.
Oh, really?
Absolutely. Are you ready to learn more about qualitative research?
Yes, I am ready.
Do you know that the qualitative approaches to research are universal and holistic? In this kind of research, a single reality is not observed. For each individual, there is a different set of concepts that define reality and may change over time. What we perceive has meaning only within a given situation.
Just like you having the characteristic of being inquisitive, qualitative research also has its own characteristics.
Oh, then what are its characteristics?
First, the direct source of data is the natural setting, and the researcher is the key instrument in qualitative research. Second, data collected are in the form of words or illustrations rather than numbers. Third, qualitative research is concerned with process as well as product. Fourth, analysis of data is taken inductively. Fifth, qualitative research deals with how people make sense of their lives. The perspective of the subject of a study is a major concern.
So why exactly do you use qualitative research?
Qualitative research is used to draw meaningful information about beliefs, feelings, values, and motivations that support behavior. To learn directly from people and what is important to them, to provide the context required to elicit qualitative results, to identify variables important for further studies, to determine one's genre as a primary step to develop a qualitative survey, and assess the usability of websites, databases, or other interactive media/services. Generally speaking, qualitative research aims to understand the experiences and attitudes of people and the community. The methods employed in the type of research seek to answer the what, how, or why questions of a phenomenon rather than how many or how much, which are addressed to qualitative research.
Wow, now that's useful.
Exactly, just like you. I'm sure that this curious mind of yours will bring good use to our society.
And, just like you, qualitative research has its strengths.
Strengths?
Yes, its strengths include that issues can be investigated in great length and depth. Second, interviews are not limited to a set of questions and can be steered or diverted in real time by the researcher. Third, as new information becomes available, the study framework and direction can be immediately altered. Fourth, data derived from human experience is strong and, in some cases, more appealing than quantitative data. Fifth, subtleties and complexities regarding research subjects and/or topics are discovered that are often missed by more positivistic inquiries. Lastly, data is frequently acquired from a small number of instances or individuals, which means that the findings cannot be applied to a larger population. The findings, on the other hand, can be applied to a different situation.
Despite its strengths, qualitative research has a number of perceived limitations. These limitations, however, are just the inapplicability of the qualitative approach to some research objectives. Research quality is heavily dependent on the individual skills of the researcher and more easily influenced by the researcher's personal biases and idiosyncrasies. Maintaining, evaluating, and demonstrating rigor in qualitative research is more difficult. Because of the large amounts of data, processing and interpretation take a long time. Within the scientific community, it is not often as well understood and accepted as quantitative research. The company of the researcher during data collection, which is often inevitable in qualitative research, can influence the replies of the respondents. When introducing findings, issues like anonymity and confidentiality can pose problems. Visually describing findings might be more challenging and time-consuming.
Wow! I'm amazed! Thank you so much! Now, I understand the cunning world of research just a little bit more.